What's going on, everybody? We got another break of '08 Upper Deck Masterpieces here. Looking for one autograph and one memorabilia card per box. Got 6 cards per pack, and 12 packs per box. Look for framed painting parallel cards, including versions numbered to 99 or less. First pack. We got looks like we got our jersey hit, and it's a pretty nice one. We got a Frank Robinson base. I'll save that for last. Actually, it's not who I thought it was, but still pretty nice. We got a Jimmy Rollins base, Travis Hafner base, Andrew Jones base. We got a Yankee Stadium Legacy of Andy Pettitte. And our hit, we got a Yankee Stadium Legacy with a pinstripe, not numbered, of Greg Nettles. So that's pretty nice, a Yankee with the pinstripe. That's our jersey hit. Should have an auto in here also. And we got a Freddie Sanchez base, Ken Griffey Jr., Greg Maddux parallel, Justin Morneau base, a Hanley Ramirez, and a Brooks Robinson. Got a third pack. We got a Ryan Sandberg, a Max Scherzer, a Jake Peavy parallel, a Justin Verlander, Alfonso Soriano, and a Ichiro Suzuki. This is a little bit thicker pack. I don't know if we got a decoy in here or what, but we got a Randy Johnson, Tim Lincecum, a Robinson Cano, it's just a decoy. We got a Lefty Gomez Yankee Stadium Legacy, Daisuke Harmon Killebrew, Derek Lee, Nick Markakis, Joe Carter. Here's our patch, our jersey, I guess. We got 2 jerseys. We got a Tom Glavine jersey captured on canvas, so that's pretty nice. And a Rich Harden base. Too many more packs to go here. We got Todd Helton, Hunter Pence, a Tim Lincecum parallel, a Jose Reyes, and an Evan Longoria rookie, and a Jason Varitek. Looks like we got 5 packs to go here. We got a Rich Harden, Al Kaline. Here's our auto for the Braves, Kelly Johnson. Got an Eric Chavez, Carlos Beltran, and a Frank Thomas. So that should be it for the hits. I wasn't expecting 2 jerseys, but we got a David Wright, Alex Gordon, a Tony Gwynn, a Roger Clemens Yankee Stadium Legacy, a Whitey Ford, Roy Oswalt, and Ryan Zimmerman. A Prince Fielder, got a red parallel of Matt Holliday. Not sure if those are probably more rare than the black ones. Got an Eddie Murray base, Greg Maddux, Ryan Braun, and Chase Utley. 3 more packs to go here. And after this, we'll cut it off, and in the next video, we'll bust the 09 ballpark. We got a Wade Boggs, a Eddie Murray parallel, Reggie Jackson, Matt Holliday, Bill Mazeroski, and Ian Kennedy base. There's the Reggie Jackson. Got 2 more packs. Roy Halladay, Mariano Rivera, Felix Hernandez, Andy Pettitte, Yankee Stadium Legacy, James Loney, Joe Morgan, and Carl Yastrzemski. And there's our last pack. Should be all base, except for maybe a parallel. Yep. Got a Asdrubal Cabrera, a Derek Lee parallel, Derek Jeter, Luke Hochevar, rookie for the Royals, Chipper Jones, and a Robin Yount base. So not too bad of a box. We got a Yankee Stadium Legacy Greg Nettles with a pinstripe jersey card. Not sure what the odds are of that. And a Tom Glavine. Says for the Braves, he's in his Mets hat here on the front, a jersey, and a Kelly Johnson for the Braves. That was our auto. So not too bad. I'm happy with that. We'll go ahead and we'll bust the ballpark in the next vid. We'll talk to you guys later.